had been decided that Prime Minister Narendra Modi would go to Malaysia for the Asian Summit, but the situation changed completely after a phone call with US President Donald Trump on October 20. Now the Prime Minister will address the summit virtually. According to Foreign Ministry sources, the reason for the PM's non-attendance is the trade deal agreement. In the Asian Summit, the PM was to meet Trump and several rounds of meeting had taken place for this. Then, it was decided that the Prime Minister will not travel to Kuala Lumpur. Concerning this, a former Indian ambassador says that there is political risk in Trump's unpredictable and bombastic behavior. It is better to avoid a meeting with Trump until the trade deal is sealed. According to sources, if a meeting between Trump and Modi were to take place now, Trump might attempt to create psychological pressure via the media. Trump is a master at this. Regarding this, a foreign policy expert tweeted that skipping the Asian Summit should be seen as a deliberate strategy to stay at a distance from Trump. Trump has attempted to extend pressure on India by imposing high tariffs and secondary sanctions. India's position is clear. First the deal, then the public meeting. In April 2025, the US had imposed a 25% reciprocal tariff on India. In August, because of oil imports from Russia, a 25% penalty tariff was also imposed. At present, India imports about 34% of its crude oil from Russia. From the US, it imports only 10% of its oil and gas. Trump wants India to cut down on oil imports and Russia and instead increase imports from the US and its allies. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal visited the US last month, where there were lengthy talks on the trade deals.
For more news updates, download Bhaskar English app.